Folks, welcome back to Flavor. Charlie Boots here in Hayward, California at a Hayward staple. Since the 80s, Tacos Uruapan has been serving some of the best Mexican food in the Bay Area. Let's go check it out now. And this ain't just a one-stop shop. We're hitting the restaurant and the food truck. Let's go. And folks, here we are at Tacos Uruapan, right here in Hayward, California. I'm here with the owner, Mr. Tony Solorio, and family business through and through, huh?
Yeah, it is, man.
So this all started with a food truck.
That's it. That's
and
right.
what year was that?
In the early 80s.
Early 80s. His pops opens a food truck, and that's where you grow up.
Pretty much did grow up in a food truck.
And then when did you have the vision to expand it, open a restaurant and a food truck?
It was kind of like fell on my lap, you know, like I grew up in it, and he's seen, before he passed, he's seen the vision. He's not with us no more, but we kept the food truck going. And then finally he was like, okay, it's time to hire engineers, architects, to build this building, you know?
So how long after he passed did the brick and mortar location open?
I would say 6 years.
Wow.
6 years after.
So it was right in the sights though.
It was. He's seen it. You get to see a sketch of it. Like, oh yeah, that's awesome. That's
one. Family business through and through. Now, when you walk in, you see the beautiful waterfall painting.
Yeah, right there.
Now, is that where Uruapan is? Where's the name come from?
The name Uruapan is a city in the state of Michoacan.
Okay.
It's the second largest city there. It's really known for its beauties. There's a lot of water in that city, a lot of water, and that waterfall there is part of the town. Either depending how you're coming into the town or exiting the town, that waterfall there.
It's just like here when you're in Hayward, you're driving past, you gotta see the location.
Oh, you have to, man. It's right there, right in the corner, you know.
What are your favorite items on the menu right now?
I'm a menudo guy. I love menudo. Man.
I've been hearing about this menudo.
Yeah, they're making handmade tortillas every weekend. So, you know, we come, get some menudo. I like it. I like it. Hangover day, just come get one.
That's what I heard. It's a key to a heavy hangover, folks. Too many margaritas, Coronas, you need some menudo.
Yeah, and then we have it every weekend. It's really popular. People come with little pots, because they come with the whole family because their pots are sleeping. So then they come with their pot, they'll buy 3 or 4 menudos to go, and they'll put them in their pot and take it home.
Folks, let's go see what all this food's about that keeps them coming back right here.
All right, awesome.
So folks, here it is, the famous menudo.
Menudo. I ordered some ceviche.
Ceviche?
Yeah, you like ceviche?
Folks, whoa, thank you. Oh my God.
Look at that, man.
The beautiful ceviche tostada.
Yeah. Ready to get your grub on?
I'm ready to grub right now.
So usually, you gotta put your little lime in here. That's what I like to do. A little lime in there.
Diced onions.
Diced onion, you can't go wrong with it.
That smells amazing.
Oh, this is.
You smell that as soon as she's walking out. It smells amazing. What, you dip some of the tortilla in there too?
Yeah, you can if you want. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Take a shot.
I'm gonna try it the real way. I'm not. Oh my God. That's nice flavor.
No, it's a dive order.
So what's it? That's some of the beef right there?
Yeah, that's some of the beef stomach. It's
Beef tummy right now, going in mine. Ooh. That's lights out. Tender, soft.
It is very good.
And it like soaks in all the flavor.
Yeah, it does. Bottoms up, man.
Bottoms up and tummy stuck. Now, how did the ceviche tostada come about?
It's a known seafood. You know, everybody does it many ways. I like to keep it. I like to keep it chunky. You know, some people like to blend it all up.
Oh my God, the lemon on that. Look at that. That's a zing right out of the box.
Yeah.
Oh, when you roll in, I definitely start my meal with a bowl of menudo and the ceviche tostada. You can't go wrong.
You're gonna try.
Alright, we're rolling. So folks, another treat when you get here, the fresh juices. We got the horchata, we got the hibiscus juice, and that's a hibiscus flower. Let's try the hibiscus flower first. That's very interesting. Cheers, folks. And And the hibiscus flower is a beautiful flower.
It is, and a beautiful drink too.
Whoa, that's very wow.
You definitely have your horchata. You can't go wrong with it.
So how do you make a good horchata?
It's like the wine of a taco.
The wine of a taco.
Yeah, that's it. The red wine. Yeah. Now this
red and white, baby. We're gonna wrap it up with two of the most popular tacos here. The El Pastor, which is a barbecue pork taco, and the carne asada. I'm going with the Pastor first. Look at that. Thing of beauty. That pork is so tender, and the tortillas, perfect. You can taste the love they make them with here. So folks, I don't know how, but we're about to eat more.
Yeah, we are.
We're going from the restaurant to
Taco truck.
the new taco truck location.
Let's go.
And if we're gonna eat like monsters, we gotta ride in T's Monster.
Let's do it, baby.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We made it.
Yeah, we're here.
You know, we brought the monster truck over here to the monster truck.
That's it. Not that far down the street.
No, it is right down the street, and you should honestly hit both when you go out and see how big your belly is afterwards. But this is very cool, man.
Yeah, it's a good idea I came up with.
Pops' original truck
Yeah.
and the brand new location
Passive present.
right here on the brand new location. So, how is it keeping, because the quality of the restaurant blew me away. How do you maintain that quality control, food truck to restaurant?
It's the same head cook in the kitchen.
Okay.
She prepares everything, she puts everything together, and they just come over here and we each grill. The recipes are the same. So you have to stay consistent.
So folks, whether you're on the run or you want to take a seat, you know where you gotta eat.
Right here, open that door, let's do it.
Right here, let's open up for business, baby. And let's see what the food truck has got cooking.
We're about to make a Cali right now, man.
I see French fries
Watch,
and tortilla right now.
We're gonna make a Cali burrito, man. Carne asada.
Ow! Right now we got cheese, carne asada, and French fries. I like where he's going with this. And then the guac.
Gotta have the guac.
Oh, that's strong. That's strong. And now I have the pleasure of addressing this beautiful thing right here, the Cali. How did you think of the Cali? Was this a late night burrito you thought of?
No, it's just, I guess it's a good thing, man. It's like a, when customers asked by popular demand, it came on the menu. What do you think?
I think it's got to stay on the menu.
It is, it's come on by popular demand.
Damn.
And we, you know, with our flavor, can't go wrong with it, man.
Don't even need this. I just need a sheet over me while I eat this.
There you go.
French fries, carne asada, guac, everything under the sun.
Everything in the sun.
Rolled into one, baby. Now, where did the classic Mexican shrimp cocktail come from?
I don't know, probably a coastal thing, I think. You know?
I gotta dive in here.
Like crackers and stuff. Crackers there. Some lime, like lime?
Love lime.
Yeah, it's definitely a cracker with a shrimp and a little lime and avocado boutique.
Yeah, you got all the good stuff in here. Oh my God. You can't go wrong with this, man. Oh my God. No.
That's it.
Well, folks, a lot of firsts for me today. This one right here, very, very happy first. And you put me onto a lot of stuff, man.
Yeah.
From the menudo to the shrimp cocktail. The flavor is expanding right here, just like the business.
Yeah.
And folks, that will do it for this episode of Flavor from Tacos Uruapan here in Hayward. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget, visit our friends at Tacos Uruapan, Brick and Water, or the food truck. You'll be happy either way. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any flavors. I'll see you here next time.